Want to master Facebook? Yearn to navigate the world's largest social media platform like a pro? Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of understanding and mastering the different aspects of Facebook. So, buckle up and prepare for a journey through the labyrinth of likes, shares, and posts. Firstly, we plunge into the realm of privacy settings. Privacy, in this digital age, is paramount. Facebook offers a plethora of options to customize who can see your content, who can contact you, and even who can look you up. To master this, head over to the Settings tab, then click on the Privacy section and explore the options to tailor your privacy settings to your comfort level. Next, we delve into the sphere of managing friend lists. An unorganized friend list can lead to a cluttered newsfeed, but fret not, Facebook allows categorization of friends into different lists. You can create custom lists or use the ones Facebook provides like close friends, acquaintances, and restricted. Following friend lists, we tackle the art of crafting compelling posts. A well-curated post has the power to engage, inspire, and even influence. When creating a post, consider your audience, the message you want to convey, and the best type of content to deliver that message. Whether it's a thought-provoking status, a captivating image, or an engaging video, make sure it resonates with your audience. In this digital age, mastering Facebook isn't complete without understanding Facebook ads. From promoting a business to boosting a post, Facebook ads offer a variety of options. To create an ad, go to the Ad Manager, select your objective, define your audience, set your budget, and finally, design your ad. Last but definitely not least, we explore the world of Facebook groups. Whether you're looking to build a community or join one, Facebook groups are a great place to start. From the main menu, click on Groups. Here you can discover new groups, manage the ones you're a part of, or even create your own. In summary, mastering Facebook involves understanding and tweaking your privacy settings, managing your friend lists, crafting compelling posts, using Facebook ads, and participating in Facebook groups. With these tools, you can navigate Facebook like a pro, engage with your community in meaningful ways, and even leverage the platform to achieve your goals. Remember, mastering Facebook isn't a one-time event, but a process of continuous learning and adapting. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep mastering Facebook. Until next time, happy Facebooking.